With the rain fast approaching in, I just knew if I wanted to find the first Maryland animal, it would have to be fast and before this weather turned against us.
So here we are at Blackwater National Wildlife Refuge, hiking this forest looking for an endangered squirrel. But under these logs, we found an American green tree frog. Now, American green tree frogs are insectivores. These frogs can also be found at any marsh, pond, lake, stream, any fresh body of water that you can think of. You'll most likely find this frog living at. And since it's raining, these frogs are a lot more abundant, as the locals here also refer to these frogs as a good indication for when it's going to rain, as they develop their own specific rain call to use, as you can tell when it's raining. Now, even though this frog does appear green, it can come in other variations too. They can come in brown colors, darker greens, but this light green is usually the most common one, as if you look around this forest, it's a very green forest, and this bright color serves as a good protection against being spotted by other predators. Now, what might eat a frog like this would be the garter snakes that live here, the coyotes, a lot of other mammals, snapping turtles, even bigger frogs like American bullfrogs will take a green tree frog. The only time they would be found under logs would be in early spring after the winter is done. My guess is that because they're coming out of the ground to start breeding. Now, they're very abundant. They are by far no means an endangered or threatened species. You can find them wherever they are. If you can find them on your window pane at night, you can find them anywhere, as they're very adaptable to human encroachment. So if this forest was gone in a year or so, this frog could adapt to living in a rural area next to other houses, next to people basically. So yeah, I hope you enjoy seeing the green tree frog. Just remember, if I can find something like the green tree frog, imagine what you can find near you. See you guys in the next video.